Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Friday, guys. It's here again already. Been busy week. Working on my kitchen cabinets, trying to get those painted. And let me tell you what, 20 years ago when I painted those cabinets, it was a lot easier. This is a lot of work. But anyway, it's getting there. It's going to take a while, but it'll eventually get done. But I did make it out to Dollar Tree. Lots of new stuff coming out. A lot of really pretty fall things. I picked up a bunch of stuff. Not a huge haul again because, you know, I bought a lot of neat stuff. But anyway, I'm going to flip you guys around over here and show you what I got. Alrighty, like I said, small haul here, but really cool stuff. Just a few food things. I grabbed 2 boxes of this at Dollar Tree. These are $1.50. These are my favorites. I like these better than Hamburger Helper. And they're great when you don't know what you're making for dinner and need something quick. Perfect. They did still have a ton of boxes on there that I told them about, again, that were expired like in December of 2025. These are good until March of 27. So, and the lady at the register said, you know, what are you going to do? These people that undo the stuff, they just shove the old ones in the back. So always read your expiration dates. But I got 2 of those. Those are really good. My husband picked out some more of the potato sticks. He loves these. These are great to snack on at night. And he got a Welch's, what did we get this time? Orange pineapple drink. I believe these are still $1.25. So that's nice. Another Jarvis jalapenos. I don't know why he just got one. Maybe they only had one. But these are still, it says $1.25 on here, but I'm thinking that these went up to $1.50. I'll have to check my receipt again. I thought I looked that up and I thought it said $1.50. But that's not good. They should not do that. If it says $1.25, that's what you should get it for. If they don't change these things right. I don't see it here right now, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was. I thought I had everything straightened out here. Now this one just threw me off. Of course I can't find it quickly. Yeah, $1.50. Yep. So jalapeno says $1.50, but still marked $1.25, and that stinks. Anyway, should take them back and get a quarter. Also grabbed a couple candy bars on the way out. These are $1.50 now, but got the Hershey's with almonds, which I love these, and they haven't had them in a while, so got one of those to snack on, and my husband got the Crunch bars. He loves those to snack on too. But that's pretty much it food-wise that we got. I don't think we got anything else. I did pick up a new rug. Let me grab this thing. This sucker's heavy. A new one of these rugs for outside my kitchen door. It's like a mudroom there kind of thing when you walk in. And my other ones, it's really grody looking. It's been out there for over a year now. So I like that one. It just says, hey there. I thought that was kind of cute. And these are really heavy. They're not going to blow away on your anything. They got this real heavy rubber backing to it. This was $7. It used to be $5 several years ago. But they're real nice. And you can see they're really thick. So they're great for wiping off your shoes before you go in the house. Ugh, it's heavy. And then I grabbed a few more of these boxes for my little Rosie, who likes to play with these. My sun conure, my bird, she loves this. It's 10 by 8 by 6 size, so it's perfectly on top of the cage. She will play in these things all day long, and till they're pretty much nothing left, she will pick through them, and it just keeps her busy. And they're $1.25. And if you guys have birds and buy bird toys, you know they're expensive. So for $1.25, this lasts her about 3 days before she's completely demolished it. So I picked up 4 more of those for her to play with. Makes her happy. Keeps her quiet from screaming. Sometimes she gets in a mood where she just wants to scream. So those are her new toys. My husband got another pair of these socks. This time he got the Hershey's Crew Socks, men's size 6 to 12. Like I said, he loves these socks that have these different goofy things on them, but it's just the way they fit. I mean, he doesn't care if you wear jeans or something or whatever, pants. You don't even see your socks anyway. But, I mean, he don't care about that. He just likes the socks. So he got another pair of those. Tries to pick out a different one every time we go now. He also got some of this all-purpose caulk siliconized acrylic. He's working on a carport up there, and he wanted just some of this just to go in between a couple little seams and things. I'm trying to see, does this, oh yeah, it's interior or exterior, so cool. So that he got for his jobs up there. You need one of those little gun things to put it into. But yeah, no. All right, I picked up some cute fall stuff. I'm so excited. I can't wait for fall now because some of these things are so cute. Look at these pumpkins. They're like sweaters. It's getting really dark in this room again. The sun must be under a cloud. But look how pretty. These were $1.50. I picked up every color I could find. Love this blue. I may pop these off the sticks and just use them like in a bowl or something with some pine cones or something. I think would be really cute. So I got that one, and then I got the green one. It's got a big old glue web on it. Oh no, it isn't. That's what's making the. There's like elastic in there that makes the creases in the pumpkin. All right, I don't want to pick that. And then I got this like cream colored one. But aren't they nice? Wouldn't they look cute? Just in like a bowl of some sort, a little basket. Throw some other little things in there with it. Or just the way they are. But yeah, or you could stick these in like an arrangement of some sort. But I'm thinking I'm going to break those sticks off there and just put them in a cute little basket. All right, I picked up 3 of these. These look like, this one looks like a cane print. It says Fall Feels Pumpkin. And it's like layered here. They're really nice. These are $1.52. But yeah, can you see it has like the print on there like a cane seat chair, which my great-grandfather used to do in a little shop that he had. I used to know how to do it. Don't anymore. When I was a kid, I used to always be down there watching what he was doing. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So I like that. This one's more like of a basket weave, and this is pretty green. If you can see it, the glare. Oh, there we go. There you go. You can see it. It says Stay Cozy. And these are like a fabric leaf. They're not like, it's like a vinyl, I think. Kind of. And then this little like leather strap here. Or it's probably plastic, but they're really pretty. And then they stand nice. You could put them, you know, anywhere. I don't know. I don't know if I might paint that. I don't know if I like that white like that, but that's all right. We'll see. I want to do a lot of things. I just can't get to them. This one says Give Thanks. This is another one that's like a basket weave. They're just really pretty. They really caught my eye when I walked in there. Haven't seen these before. Again, layered. But yeah, real pretty. Really, really pretty. And I picked up a couple signs to hang. I like to have one by my back door when you go out. There's a space over there that these things fit perfect. This says Open Daily, Pumpkin Patch, Hello Fall Crafts, Hay Rides, Pumpkins, and Apple Cider. And it has like this metal piece on this like wood. It's that pressed wood, but it has like a wood veneer onto it. I thought those were really nice. Really, really nice. You have to watch though, because a couple of them are missing like a stud on the corner. That one looks like it wants to come out too. There it goes. But yeah, I like these a lot. They're very nicely made. $1.50. Can't buy that anywhere else, anything like that anywhere else for $1.50. And then I got this one too, same thing. It's the metal over the wood. Look how pretty that is. I'm just excited now. I'm seeing all this stuff I want to decorate for fall. Get out my fall blanket. Get rid of this hot, humid, miserable weather we're having. Have a little fall time. But yeah, I like these. They're very pretty. And then these I've never seen at Dollar Tree before. In the Crafter Square. No, these weren't in the Crafter Square section. I'm lying. These were in with the Halloween stuff. And this is Mod Podge Stiffy, it's called. Fabric stiffener. Shape and stiffens fabric, ribbons, and trims. I've never seen that at Dollar Tree before. So I picked up 4 of these because I want to make some more of those ghosts like I made last year. Was it last year or the year before? Might have been last year, that I made out of like the cheesecloth. Those were so cute. They did not store well, and I end up squishing them. I need to make another set because I loved them. I put lights underneath them and stuff, if you guys remember. They were really cute. So got 4 of those. Maybe I'll make some more. I mean, you can make that stuff with just glue too, but I'm going to try this stuff, see how it works. I found these little kitchen timers. I thought these were adorable. They had another one. What was it? Grover, maybe? But I picked up Garfield. It's a digital kitchen timer. Look how cute these guys are. I've never seen these before. These were $1.25. And then I got SpongeBob. Who doesn't love SpongeBob? These are going to make cute little gifts. I'm going to give these away. And I believe the other one was Garfield. I'm pretty sure. No. That's Garfield. He was blue. I'm terrible with the names of these characters anymore. Used to be on top of it when we had little kids around, but now I'm like out of the loop. But yeah, I thought these were adorable. So picked up one of those, 2 of those rather, one of each. And then I got some scissors. This is my favorite time of year now when the school supplies come out. And they come out with these scissors with the different patterns. These are also $1.25. I love these scissors. I use these scissors. I mean, I have a pair here from like years ago. And I mean, I use these constantly. These are really nice scissors. I mean, and for $1.25, you know, you mess them up, you're not losing a lot. But I have never had any problem with these. You can, you know, when they're nice and new, you can cut fabric with them, everything. They're really nice. But look at the pattern on that one. Real pretty. So I got 3. I got that one. And I got this one here. And I got this one. Because I keep scissors all over the house. You always need scissors for something. All the time. So I grabbed 3 more pairs of those to put away. Or to use wherever I'm going to need them. I can just come in here and grab a pair and keep them wherever I want them. But yeah, I have scissors all over the house. Kitchen, living room, everywhere I have scissors. Because there's always something I need to open. Alright, well that is it. That is all I picked up this trip. I'm going to put this stuff away. I'll go grab Lil P, see what kind of mood he's in. He's very quiet, so hopefully he's in a good mood today. He shouldn't be ready for a nap yet, so let me go get him and I'll be right back. Alright, here it comes. Say hi, P. Say hello to everybody. He was just out there fixing his feathers again. He's got a lot of pin feathers. I can see him on his head. They work on those casings to get that off. And then he has beautiful new feathers, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Do you want your toy? I didn't bring a peanut this time. Do you want your toy? You didn't want to play this last time. You're big dull dud again, aren't ya? Is it too hot for you? It's not hot in here. I don't know why you guys would think it's hot because we have the air on. You don't want to play? He's like, that's not a peanut. Can't always have peanuts, P. Sorry. No, they're too fatty for you. Yeah. Well, what are you going to do today? Are you just going to be just that? What did I do with your other stuff in here I had your cups in here. If you want to play with those. Want to play with a cup? I'm going to put on your head. Let's see. Oh, I can't do it. I still have these little hats here. I was going to do these on my, yeah, you don't like that. We won't do that. On my chihuahuas, and I just never get around to doing anything. It's just been so busy, Humpy. I told my husband, once I get done repainting these kitchen cabinets, I'm finished for the year. We're not fixing anything else in this house, painting anything else. I don't even care. The walls can wait till next year. They're not that bad. My kitchen's blue, so it's fine. Huh. I don't even know what color I want to paint it now. Once it gets all done, maybe I'll make up my mind. The wall part. But yeah, it's just been non-stop trying to get things done. But, you know, you got to do it when you can do it in the summertime here. We can open windows and whatnot, Humpy. You sleepy? You look sleepy. Did you not sleep good last night? No. I'm so sorry. want to play with nothing? Nothing at all? Wow. What do you think of that? I know, I heard a loud truck out there too. I don't know where they're going. As long as they keep going, we don't care, huh? All gone. Probably fire truck. They've been quietly. I shouldn't even say that. They'll probably come down the street, but usually when I'm trying to do videos, there's always a fire truck or something, an ambulance, something, because we live on a our road is a emergency route, so they're always coming down here. But it's been pretty quiet lately. No, that bothered you? I don't know, Pete. I don't know what your problem. You were out there. Rosie's been letting you play with her cardboard box. So you every once in a while get in there and start chewing on it too and ripping it up. Which is surprising because Rosie don't get along with a lot of birds. What'd I do, P? I made a mess. Alright, let's try and do it this way. Maybe you'll take the ball off of here. Oh, what do you think of that? He just looked up at me like, you kidding, woman? Are you kidding, lady? I said I won't play with it. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you're hunched over. You're out there on your cage. Actually, whose cage were you? No, you were actually sitting on your own cage out there. And you were all happy-go-lucky, and then you come in here and you're like blase blah. Did it finally pique your interest? He's like, here, I'll play with the darn thing if it makes you happy. Yeah, fine. I don't know if he's wanting to play with it or if I just made him mad because I kept giving it back to him. He's like, fine, give me it. I'll tear it apart. Get it, P. So what else we do this week? I can't even think of anything else exciting besides I've been scrubbing. You know, you got to scrub the kitchen cabinets really well to make sure there's no oils or anything on it from, you know, cooking and everything else. They can build up sometimes. So doing that, letting that dry, filling in any little cracks and crevices and sanding those down, and then wait until that dries real good. Then we start painting again. Taking all the cabinet doors off. It's just a lot of work anymore. And we're done. When we get this done, babe, we're done. I don't even want to think about it because I have so many to go. I think I counted between drawers and cabinet doors. It's like 26 or 28 pulls I had to buy. So yeah, it's a lot. So far I've gotten 3 cabinets done. Yeah. And 4 new pulls. Was that 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah, 4. Because 2 cabinets only had the 1 door, then it's a double door cabinet I did yesterday. So yeah. So far, we've got 4 complete out of all those. So it's going to be a bit. What do you think, Pig? Don't want it back. You rub your head with it? He's like, sure. Go ahead. Oh, that's nice. Alright, we're going to let everybody go. Everybody can enjoy the rest of their day. Have a great weekend. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. We will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P. Up here. Say bye. Now he's looking in the cup.